This is Pranav Gua Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Mr. Wadhwa, Mr. R.K. Wadhwa. He is a Director Education, Delhi Public School and Principal Satya Lakshya Euro World School, Ganganagar. Sir has got a vast experience dealing with students, parents, teachers. He's the right person to help us. Sir, as the last 2 years were not like yesteryears of 19, 18, 17, 16, and of our time also. So the students are quite, they're in anxiety, they're confused. So do the parents are. Parents, they don't know much about the online education. They're worried about their career, especially the middle class parents who wanted to their kids to get into good colleges and settle down in their career so then they can have a good living. What is your advice for the students and especially students? How should they cope during these times? Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Guha and my dear students. The whole nation is worried about the youth of the country. And as it has been going on for almost a year and a half now, it worries us more than ever. Recently, there have been debates over whether or not class 12th of CBSE, IGSE and other educational boards in the country should have physical exams or not. There have been different views about the same. 12th class being the most important class of your career, dear students. As far as I opine, as far as my principal friends opine, there have to be a physical examination of some sort so that a merit can be decided. Now, to decide admissions to the most prestigious colleges all over the country, to medical colleges, to IITs, and to other prestigious courses in the country, we have to have a clear-cut image in black and white, the merit of the students from various boards, because there is a process of normalization of marks. State level boards, education boards are kept at par with ICSE and other boards with a process called normalization. And what worries the nation, what worries the governments, what worries the education is, what worries the parents the most is the uncertainty hanging all over us in the present scenario of pandemic. Now, my advice to you, my dear students, is you don't have to have procrastination and overthinking as your friends. Be relaxed. Keep a constant touch with your studies and with your teachers. And examinations, as far as I think, will most likely be held in three major subjects physically. Maybe there is a little change in the format also, but you don't have to worry, because if you are prepared for any format of the examination. You have to keep the cool of your mind. You have to maintain a constant touch with reading, with music, with regular habits of eating and again playing a game every day, because it's all nowadays what the nation is occupied with is the mental health. So mental health is the name of the game now, and to maintain a good mental health you have to play some or the other game every day. You have to read a lot, you have to listen to the music. Plus, in a day or two, it's going to be decided whether you people are going to have assessments like they have decided for class 10th. Most of the educational boards in the country have followed the CBSE. In 12th, it will be like 3 subjects, your optionals. For example, a medical student will have to appear at physics, chemistry, biology, and an engineering student will have to appear at physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So you have to avoid the achievement drama for a while and give top priority to the safety of the family and yourself. At present, what the entire globe is worried about is how we can save our young generation, how we can save our people from this pandemic. So, in the present scenario, what I would advise my young students, my uh, colleagues, and the parents is to maintain the cool, not to lose courage. Everything will be okay with time. What you have to maintain is regularity in studies and regularity in your physical and mental health. You have to maintain them, and whatever the decision of the governments regarding conduct of examination will be applicable to all. Now, there will be systems generated, there will be criteria created, and the admissions to your future courses will be decided accordingly. That's what I have to say to my students. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Wadhwa. I'm sure your advice will help many students, not only of your school, of various schools in India and abroad, as our television is watched in roughly in more than 18 countries. The students will beneficial, and we will again disturb you from time to time to take your advice for the other stakeholders of education also. Thank you so much, sir. Namaskar, sir. Thank you.
Namaskar. Welcome, sir.